Sri Sai Ram. Welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online classes. Today we start the new chapter in the class 8, that is electric current and its effects of part 1. Okay? Yes. So we may come across in our daily life, we can see so many objects, yes, so many electrical appliances. Yes, we can see the so many electrical appliances, they are working under an electric current. Yes. So what do you mean by electric current? Electric current means there is a flow of electric charges from one end to the another end, that is called electric current. So in that electric components, there are so many electric components which are used in the electrical appliances. Yes, we can see bulb, switch, yes, all those things we can see, switch, shell and battery, wire, yes. So there is a symbol of the electrical components. So what is the use of the symbol of electrical components? Why we are using, why we are writing then symbol for the electrical components? Why we cannot write the diagram of that bulb or shell? Yes, yes, it is an easier way to represent the electrical component, and also when we are writing the circuit diagram, it is makes an easy to write. So that's why we are using an electrical symbols for the electrical components. Okay. So here they give a sum of the symbol of electrical components. Yes, let us discuss one by one. Yes, electrical component and symbol. First one, electrical cell. See, here is a shell. So the symbol for the electrical cell is, you can write like this. One is longer line, other one is shorter line. Next one is electrical bulb. Symbol for the electrical bulb is, you have to write like this. Okay, we will discuss one by one. Battery. The symbol of a battery is, one is positive, negative, and another shell of the positive and negative, that is the symbol of that battery. Wire, it will represent it in single line. Switch on, here is a switch on position, this is the symbol of the switch on. Switch off, now the switch is off. Okay. Yes, let us discuss one by one. First one, electrical shell. Here is the symbol of an electrical shell. See, there is a longer line and another is a shorter line, but it is a thicker. Yes. See, it represents a positive. The longer line which represent a positive terminal of the shell, and the smaller line and the thicker line which represent a negative terminal of the shell. Okay. Yes. Do you know what do you mean by batteries? Where they are used? And are the cell and the battery are the same? Yes. Let us check. First, battery. Here is the symbol, is a battery symbol is there. Yes, same as usual. Electrical shell, you can write only single line, the longer line it represent a positive terminal and the smaller line it represent a negative terminal. Battery means here is a two shells, they are even plus and also minus, we are connected. Yes. So what do you mean by battery? Notice that the positive terminal of one shell is connected to the negative terminal of the another shell. Negative terminal of the shell is connected to the positive. Yes. See, such combination of two or more cells, combination of two or more cells, that is called as an battery. Okay. Yes. Where the batteries are used? What are the application of the batteries? See, we are using in torch and also TV remotes and also toys, yes, and etc. We are using in so many times we are using the batteries. Okay. Now see, in some of these devices the electrical cell are not always placed one after other. It is not placed one after other. Some cells are placed side by side. Yes, see the image here. It is side by side. The cells are placed side by side. How these terminals are connected? There is a shell. Okay, here is also a shell. How these terminals are connected? Yes. Look carefully inside the compartment of the device. See, look at the carefully. Yes, there is a metal strip. Yes, there is a thick wire or metal strip connected to the positive terminal of the cell. Another end which is connected to the negative terminal of the cell. Okay. So, it is easier to indicate they given a plus and minus. Next. Yes, I think you have understood how to connect the cells to make a battery. So, here is an activity is there, how much of you are understood. Okay. Yes, here is there are four cells they are given. Okay. By using the 4 cells, you have to make a battery. Okay. Yes, see, negative terminal, it is a positive, it is negative, positive, okay, negative, positive, negative, positive. Yes, you are already known how the terminals are to be connected. Yes, first from negative into the positive. Yes, now positive to the, here we are connected negative terminal of the next cell. Next, from that positive we are connected to the positive of the next cell, and also positive of the next cell which is connected to the another end of the another set of that end negative terminal, and also positive terminal. So, now it is an battery. Now we can battery. Yes. So, place our cells properly such that positive terminal of one cell which is connected to the negative terminal of another cell. See, positive terminal of one cell which is connected to the negative terminal of the another cell. Okay. Yes. Next one, switch on position. Suppose if we switch on, so I will the circuit. Yes, here is an electric circuit. See, here is an electric circuit. Here is an switch is on. Yes, how to write in an symbolic, by using in symbols, how to write this circuit, this diagram in a circuit diagram for this. Yes, see, bulb known for that one, and also cell that even one is negative, one is positive, and this is represent an wire. Okay, and see, this is switch is on, means switch is on and connected to that bulb. Yes, right. See, when the switch is on position, the circuit from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal is complete. See, the circuit will be an complete, there is no open anywhere. So, the circuit will be an, it is an complete circuit, or it is an complete circuit. Yes, see, then the circuit is said to be closed, it is a closed circuit. Okay, when you are set closed, the current flows through the circuit. When the circuit is closed, okay, current flows through the circuit. It is switch on position. Next one, switch off position. Now, yes, here is the diagram. Okay, observe the diagram. See, the switch is off position. It doesn't touch the another end of the safety pin. Okay, see, here there is a bulb is there. Yes, and also cell plus and minus, it indicates an the lines which is indicates an wire, and also switch is off, means it doesn't touch other end. Yes, like that we have to write the circuit diagram, and which is the wire, the another end of the wire which is connected to the bulb. So the circuit will be an open. Yes, it is not a closed circuit. The circuit will be an open circuit. So that's why the current doesn't flow through the circuit. So the bulb doesn't glow. Here the bulb glows? No, the bulb doesn't glow. In the switch in the on position, the bulb glow, because in that one the switch in off position, the circuit will be an closed. The current flows through the circuit. But here switch in off position, it is an open circuit. So that's why the current which is no current which is flows through the circuit. So that's why the bulb is not glowed. Yes. In the bulb there is a wire called filament. There is a wire that is called filament, okay, which glows when an electric current pass through it. When an electricity which is passed through it, that filament, the bulb will glow. If the bulb is fused, or if the bulb is fused, then the filament will be broken. So now it is a closed circuit. Yes, now it is a closed circuit. If the bulb is fused, it is a closed circuit? No, it is an open. See, it is an open. It is an open circuit. So the no current will flow through the circuit. If the circuit is closed, the current flows through the circuit. If the circuit is open, the current doesn't flow through the circuit. What is the reason the bulb glow? No, the bulb doesn't glow, because no current flows through the circuit, because it is an open circuit. Yes, here is then assignment for you. First question, write down the symbols of the following: A, electric bulb; B, electric shell; C, battery; and D, switch in on position. Okay, it is easier. Okay, thank you. Sai Ram.